Unreal Engine 5 versus Unreal Engine 4, which game engine is better? Choosing the right engine can transform your game development process without compromising performance. Unreal Engine 4 offers proven stability, while Unreal Engine 5 brings cutting-edge features. Unreal Engine 4 and Unreal Engine 5 are powerful tools by Epic Games for creating immersive games. The core difference lies in UE5's advanced rendering and asset management technologies designed to deliver higher fidelity and efficiency compared to UE4's mature, battle-tested framework. Unreal Engine 4 is a comprehensive game development platform known for its robust performance and versatility. It uses a solid rendering pipeline and supports a wide range of platforms, making it ideal for developers seeking stability and extensive documentation. UE4 works by combining C++ programming with Blueprint visual scripting, enabling flexible workflows for both programmers and designers. Its strengths include a large community, mature toolset, and reliable performance across various hardware. However, UE4 lacks some of the latest graphical innovations and efficient asset streaming found in newer engines. It is perfect for developers who prioritize proven technology, compatibility, and a wealth of learning resources, especially for projects that don't require the cutting edge of real-time rendering. Unreal Engine 5 introduces groundbreaking features that redefine game development. At its core is Nanite, a virtualized geometry system that allows artists to import film-quality assets without manual optimization. Coupled with Lumen, a fully dynamic global illumination system, UE5 delivers realistic lighting and reflections in real time. These innovations streamline workflows and enhance visual fidelity dramatically. UE5 supports the latest hardware and enables large open worlds with efficient asset streaming. However, as a newer engine, it may have a steeper learning curve and occasional stability issues compared to UE4. UE5 is ideal for developers aiming to push graphical boundaries and create highly detailed, immersive experiences, especially on next-generation consoles and high-end PCs. When comparing Unreal Engine 4 and 5, the choice depends on project needs. UE4 excels in stability and broad platform support, making it suitable for established pipelines and diverse hardware targets. UE5 shines with advanced rendering technologies like Nanite and Lumen, offering superior visuals and efficient workflows for complex scenes. For example, indie developers or teams focused on mobile and VR might prefer UE4's maturity. In contrast, AAA studios or creators targeting next-gen consoles benefit from UE5's cutting-edge features. The trade-off involves balancing innovation against stability. UE5's new systems demand more powerful hardware and can introduce development challenges, while UE4 offers a reliable foundation with extensive community support. Unreal Engine 4 is recommended for developers seeking a stable, versatile engine with proven tools and wide platform compatibility for diverse project scopes. Unreal Engine 5 is the best choice for those focused on next-level visuals and efficient workflows on modern hardware. Its innovative features empower creators to build stunning, immersive worlds, making it the future of game development for ambitious